Hey YouTube, my buddy Steve got his hands on the Hue Calla landscape lights. So we're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna set them up. So stick till the end, and for now, let's roll the intro.
It's been a long time coming, but all my outdoor lights are finally here. I had ordered these from Dell a while ago and they came separately. Two different deliveries. The first delivery was this one, was the initial Philip outdoor Hue lights, and this one comes with a power cord, and then they also sell the expansion pack, which is just an expansion, so you can hook the plug with the expansion and you can have 5 of these in sequence. So you only need one power supply to run the 5 of them. I'd already opened up the one for that comes with the power supply. I already opened that one up, so I'm gonna open up the expansion, do an opening of this one. So let's see what comes inside. These are the Philips Hue Outdoor Calla lights, I believe is how you say it. They have, I think it's 650 luminance, which is really bright. The colors are outstanding, and I'll show those off in a little bit. Right off the top, we have a little information about your lights and how you install them. That's great. Put that aside for now. There's that. Some more instructions. Another manual. Serial number. Probably explains how to put the spike in and all that kind of good stuff. And here comes the light itself. Dun, 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 dun. Comes in nice little plastic. Slide it off. Pretty. These are meant to go in the ground or to be installed either on a step or however you want to. Comes with a spike and a set of screws, and that'll probably be, and I'll show it off in a minute. The outside of this is like a metal with a plastic top, and just so you know, my other one fell over on its side. They're pretty durable, so, and didn't break, amazingly enough. They're made for outside, so I would assume they're pretty weatherproof. Let's see what else we got in here. And keep in mind, this is the expansion, so there will not be a power supply that comes with this. It is just a cable and a T, what I believe comes inside. Let me get this open. Hold on one second. So here inside the box, as we predicted, here is the spike that goes into the ground. You mount that in the bottom with a screw and a nut that goes in the bottom. Here is, which I believe is 16 feet of extension cable. So you have a lot of distance you can go with this. And then right here is the T, which you would tee off of. So you got a male, and a female, and you would bring in the power and then out to the light itself. And then if you had another one, you'd tee off of that and you'd keep going. Just like I said, you can only tee 5 of these, and then you have to get another power supply. So there's that. I'm gonna set them up, get them going, see how they look. And that's about it. Oh, by the way, here's the power supply, just so you have an idea what it looks like. It's a very small step-down transformer. It goes from 110 to 24 volts, and that's it. So we'll be back in a few. Turn the backyard lights to red. Turn the backyard lights to white.